Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. My dear viewers, hopefully you're very fine today. Today I'm gonna try to show how to create your Facebook page. So my dear viewers, if you wanna create your Facebook page, then first of all you have to go your Facebook application or any browser you can run, no problems. So right now I'm gonna my Facebook application. Okay, my dear viewers, you can see this is my Facebook first front page. Okay, and if you want to create your Facebook page, then first of all you have to go above on the screen and just on the right side you can see an option. Then first of all you have to click on this option. Okay, and then you can see a lot of option on this screen, but above on the screen you most probably can see the option page. So first of all you have to click on this option page. Well, so my dear viewers, already I have created a lot of pages, so you can see 5 Facebook page on the screen. But if you want to create your Facebook page, then first of all you have to create, you can see on the right side of the screen plus create. So you should click on this option plus create. Okay, then you will get a page and then just click on get started. Well, my dear viewers, now you should write your Facebook page name. So now I'm writing my Facebook name, sorry, my Facebook page name, Nurul Islam. Well, and then just you should click next. Well, so my dear viewers, you can see just down or below the screen there are 4 options: local business, personal blog, product, service or art. So you should make sure your purpose for what do you want to create your Facebook page. So actually I'm gonna create Facebook page just for personal blog. So now I'm clicking on this option personal blog. Okay, my dear viewers, and then just you should click next. Well, so if you have any website, then you submit here, or if you don't have any website, so no problem, just then you should click next. Okay, my dear viewers, already your Facebook page created. Just right now you should add your profile picture. So now you can see a option add a profile picture. So I'm clicking on this option add a profile picture. Okay, and now I have to select a picture from my gallery. So now I'm selecting a picture from my gallery and then just done. Well, and you can see a save on the above on the screen, just on the right side. Then you should click on the option save. Well, my dear viewers, you can see your Facebook page already has created and you can see your profile on the screen. Okay, and then just you should click next. Well, okay, my dear viewers, another options add a cover photo. So you should add your cover photo for your Facebook page. So now I'm clicking on this option. Okay, and then just I should select a picture just for the cover photo of these pages or for these pages. Okay, so now just for example I'm clicking option picture, just this. Okay, and just save. Well, it's loading. Okay, my dear viewers, already your Facebook page has been created. So you should visit your page. So you have to click on the option visit page. Well, so you can see, my dear viewers, this Facebook page already has created. So and after that you should invite friends to like your page and publish your first post. You can a lot of work to do, no problem, but already your Facebook page has been created. So my dear viewers, if you get something from watching this video, so please like and share this video. And actually after some days later, actually I will come back with another video how to verify your page. Okay, so just keep touching with me and keep touching my channel. And if I do any mistake, just correct me writing something below the comment box. And never forget, my dear viewers, just do subscribe please. And if I do any mistake, please correct me. And eventually I would like to tell to you, my dear viewers, thanks for watching.